Ready, baby girl? Huh? Talk for me. That's my girl. Talk for daddy, sweetie. Sit up straight. You talking to daddy? Huh? Are you talking to daddy? Go sit up straight from daddy? What's so funny? I want to know what's so funny. Huh? I gotta know. You gotta tell me. What's so funny, sweetie? Huh? You like your little chair? You're favoring that side. Why? Oh, let me try to put you in here one more time. There you go. You talk for me one more time? One more time, Pumpkin? Who are you talking about? Huh? Is it that funny? Is it that funny? It is funny, isn't it? It's funny. We have fun on our little playtime, don't we, sweetie? Is that it? Is that all you got to say? That's it, huh? You're doing so good in your little chair. Smile for me, baby. One more time. One more time.